In this lesson, I will explain to you how you can add background in Microsoft Excel. Suppose this is your data and you want to insert some background. So first you have to go to the page layout tab. In page layout tab, there is a page setup option, and here you can see the background function. Click on the background function. Then you can see we have three different options. If you have saved your image on your desktop or pictures or download or USB, then you have to click here. Similarly, if you want to bring some image from OneDrive, you have to click here. This is your homework. You have to do it. It is very easy. If you want to bring from your search Bing, then you have to click here. Right, when you will click here, again I will give you a very easy homework. You can write down whatever picture you want here and then enter. All the images will be there. Right, I have already some images there, so I will show you how to insert. You have to do the same process. So suppose we want to insert this winter, right? So view all, click on this image, then you can see all the pictures related to this snow or winter is there. Which one you want to insert? Suppose I want to insert this one. You can see insert option is not highlighted here. When I will click here, it is highlighted. Now press insert and there is your background. If you want, you can change the color of your font as well. Right, now if you do not want this background, then what you have to do, same in the page setup, there is delete background option. But one more thing, if you will take a printout of this sheet, the background will not print. This is only here to show you or to show to your audience. Right, I'm going to delete it. Just delete it. I hope this is clear. Please practice it, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.